So, guys, Katie actually giving it a try. Do you see why I love this woman? She isn't scared of anything. She was like, "Babe, scoop over. Let me give it a try." So, Katie, what are we
There's
doing
one
here?
more.
So, what are we doing here, Katie? So you're
I'm
actually.
helping you.
Ah, you're so. I love it when you help me, girl. Oh my God, my life is so much easier with you. I love your nails, though.
Thank you. So.
Oh, so you got the screws out. Hey.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, Katie. You go. Looking like a Formula One tire changer, but then like with the drone's DJI propeller changer. Ooh, Katie got some skills with that. Put it in. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, guys, check it out. Katie going big. DJI Avata propeller switch up. She'll be like, I've never done this, and you're like flexing over here, like.
It's easy. It's not difficult.
Handling it like a
So-
champ.
Yeah. Do we need to fix it something more?
Well, I don't know if you actually just you already
You can
done.
go me.
All right, so look, guys, this was the broken one. Yeah, hoping you see that. So here it was chipped. The SD slot did that today. The day when I was flying, and this is still a new one. So I might actually keep it. And thanks to the drone fixer. Can you hold the drone? Ooh, the drone fixer! Yeah! All right, all right, all right. So we're gonna put this baby in the new case. By the way, guys, check out the new case. So you can put everything here. Your controller, it has a cute little space pocket here where you can put the small stuff. I got over here like the light camera for the phone, for example, and some cables and a gimbal. And yeah, cool stuff. You actually can put the lenses here. These are the lenses for if you wear glasses and if you have to adjust the goggles to your lens type. You can bring these to your eye doctor and they can actually fix the goggles. And then look, you can put it on your eye. I don't know how to call that exactly, but you catch my vibe. You know, these are for your eyes and bring them for the eye doctor to put them on your eye specifics. And yeah, this is the battery, guys, for the goggles. As you put the battery here, you charge them up. This little cable over here, bam. And yeah, man. So I hope y'all got a vibe. Yeah, I hope y'all got a vibe of the whole DJI Avata. And we're gonna go up in the air. See you guys later. I cannot wait. Katie, high five. You are the girl, the woman, superwoman. I love you so much. And join me, please, when we're gonna fly. See you guys later, guys. Ciao, 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 ciao.